queens, he lives. He lives. He lives within my heart, my phone. You may ask me out. I know he lives. He lives down deep in my soul. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. How y'all doing? Kings and queens, happy Sunday. Yes, sir. Don't try to tell me God is dead. He woke me up this morning. Don't try to tell me he's not alive. He lives within my heart. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. I just talked to him today. Kings and queens, he lives. He lives. He lives within my heart. You may ask me how. I know he lives. He lives down deep in my soul. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. I just talked to him today. Ooh. Come on, rock with me. What? No, because he woke me up this morning. What are you trying to tell me? He's not alive. No, he lives within my heart. Oh, yes. He opened up my blinded eyes and set me on my way. Don't try to tell me God is dead. I just talked to him today. He lives. He lives. My Jesus, he's alive. From the third day, he rose the tomb, and he rose up triumphantly. He opened up all those prison bars and set the captive free. Don't try to tell me God is dead. I just talked to him today. Ooh, I just talked to him. I just talked to him. I just talked to him today. Just talk to him. Did you talk to him? I did. Just talk to him today. Yes, I did. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, kings and queens.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing out
Hope
there?
everybody's good.
Yes.
Good evening, good day, whatever it may be for you.
Good evening. Good day. How y'all doing? We're out here another Sunday to play our favorite gospel music, to rock out with you guys, yes, and to show some love in giving away some credits to our wonderful supporters tonight, like
Yes.
we always do. And
Yes.
we so love to do this with you guys. So just rock out, listen. Yeah, we're limited on the type of songs that we can play because we don't want to be blocked by Facebook. So it's kind of repetitive, but we try to throw one in here and there, you understand? But it's good to be out here with you guys tonight. It's good to be alive.
Yes.
Today is the best day of my life because I'm still standing. I'm still here in my right mind. Yes. Yes, and everything moves. Everything moves. Yes, everything's working. So I'm fortunate, and so are you. So just rock out with me. Yes, man. Let me find some good gospel tune for rock out, all right? Yes. And, you know, let me do a little something for now. Yeah. Oops. Bear with me. All right. Let me try this. I will forever sing of his goodness. Yes. No matter where I go. No matter what. Because I know his goodness. How about you? I'm going to tell you a little bit about his goodness. You all know this is my favorite song. Yes, I come to sing for my Jesus. So, no judgments here. Here we go. Yes. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. Yes, because you have led me through the fire in darkest night. You were close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Oh, and all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Pull up for me, Jesus.
Pull up.
Yes, he has been so good to me, even when I don't deserve it. Yes, that's the kind of father I have. Yes, pull it up again, Miss Vanilla. I can talk about him forever. Yes. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up are close like no other. I know you as a father. Oh, I know you as a friend. And I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me.
One more time, chocolate.
We're not gonna sing now tonight. Yes, I feel God. He's amazing. Can I tell you? I love you, Lord. For your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice, 'cause you have held me through the fire in darkest night. You were close like no other. I know you as a father. I've known you as my friend, 'cause I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. When my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything, Lord. Your goodness is running after me. Oh, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Oh, it's running after me. Your love keeps running after me. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I'll forever sing of the goodness of God. Yes, yes, I'll forever sing of His goodness, kings and queens. Yes. Yes. Oh, how he walks with me. Yes. Can I tell you?
Lacey, I will pray for you and your family in your time of loss. Sorry about that, Queen. May God give you that strength to get through it.
Yes, hold on to God. He's still in the healing business. Yes, he's still has miracles in his hands. Yes. Come on. Come on, kings and queens. Can I tell you? Some folks would rather have houses and lands. Some folks choose treasures and forget about their soul. But these things sing it, brother. Uh-huh. And the hills. A long time ago. So let Jesus come on. Where no tempest can come. 'Cause you're safe. Your family's safe and secure. Yes. Yes. Come on. Some folks would rather Awesome art. Yes. Because I stand. Cause I'm only human. Cause I'm just a woman. Lord, help me believe in all I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway that I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yes, say it with me. Stay is gone. Sweet Jesus. Come on, Queens. May never be mine. Let's do it again. Come on. Come on, Queens. Yes. Sing it with me. This is our prayers tonight. Yes. Cause I'm only human. And I'm just a woman. Lord, help me believe in all I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway that I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Please show me the way, one day at a time. Do you remember? Do you remember when you walked among men? My Jesus, you know, if you're looking below, it's worse now and then. Cheating and stealing, violence and crime. Lord, for my sake, teach one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Please, please show me the way. One day at a time. Lord, help me today. Please show me the way. One day at a time. Lord, help me today. Yes. One day at a time.
That's all you can take. It is one day at a time.
One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking from you.
Yes.
How y'all doing? If you're just joining us, welcome to our praise and worship. We come out here on Sunday nights. We play our favorite gospel music, and we bless up our kings, our beautiful kings and queens.
Yes.
That's what we love to do. Yes? How y'all doing? Let's say hello to our wonderful supporters. How y'all doing? Let's see. Yes. National. We try to go up a little bit.
Yep.
Yes.
Sasha Lee.
Sasha Lee. How you doing, Sasha Lee?
Ardette.
Ardette. Good night.
Good night, good
Queen
night.
Patsy.
Patsy.
World's greatest. How you doing? Karen Blair. How you doing, Queen? Good evening.
Janet.
Jeanette. Good evening.
Yes,
How you doing? Carolyn.
Carolyn.
Good evening. Yvette. Good evening. Gillette. Bennett Biggs.
Yes,
Bless
good
up
evening.
yourself.
Good evening.
Ollie Love.
Love.
Bless up yourself, Queen
Anicia.
Ollie. Anicia. Good
Love
night.
you too. Love you
Good night.
too.
Love you. Merlene.
Marlene.
How you doing?
Sandria.
Sandria. Good night.
Patricia.
Good night to you, Queen. Yes. Annette.
Annette.
Yes, Annette. Good night.
Novelette.
Novelette. Good night. International Woman Achievement.
Miss
Miss
Princess.
Princess. Happy Sunday. You all know the awards coming up next month, the 24th of June. Make sure you go out and support this wonderful, wonderful awards ceremony. Go there and support. Even if you're not getting an award, support the wonderful women who will be gifted with an award. Where unfortunately we won't be able to make it this year, but we're going to be gifting some of our supporters some tickets. Miss Princess, we will reach out to you because we want to send some of our supporters to support even though we cannot be there. We wish we could give the gowns away, but everybody gonna know it's chocolate and vanilla gown. They saw us in them last year. Be like, look at them in chocolate and vanilla gown. Huh? But we wish we could because they're just sitting here. Yes. Big up yourself, Miss Princess.
Yes, Miss Princess.
Yes.
Aqua.
Aqua. Good night. Gillette. Go back
Glendon.
down, please.
That one
Oh, we
already.
did. Okay.
Glendon Smith.
Veronica.
Veronica.
Yes. I'm telling you, we went last year and we had a wonderful time. It was a beautiful experience.
It was an incredible experience.
Yes, and we had that radam moment. I hope somebody come with that radam this year. I'll be looking out for the radam.
That's right.
Yes, Your Majesty, make sure that radam happen. Because you're going to be there, so make sure you give some radam. All right, I'm waiting. Yes.
Ever blessed Nikki.
Ever blessed Nikki.
Blessings.
Desiree. Oh, Monica. Big up yourself. Barnes. Good night. Cordelia. Shanice. Big up yourself. Big up yourselves. We'll hear you guys up again in a little bit. We're going to continue with some more praise and worship. Yes. And then after this, we'll be giving away some credits. Tonight, this is how it's going to work. We have the Bible right here. And it's called tonight, the game for the credits. It's called Who Got the Bible? So Vanilla and I will be standing really close to each other. And we're going to be passing the Bible back and forth. All right, as soon as we pass the Bible, we're going to move apart. showing them
Okay.
right now.
Yeah.
Vanilla. Yes. And we're going to move apart. And you call in and guess who got the Bible, whether it's me or Vanilla.
Yep.
All right? It's that easy. Who got the Bible? That's the name of the game tonight. Let me go over it again. We'll be standing close together. We're going to be passing the Bible to each other. We're going to pull apart. It's up to you to call in and tell who got the Bible. Yes, it's that simple. So, not right now.
Don't call yet.
I'll tell you when.
Not yet.
All right? Yes.
Oh, what singing. Oh, what shouting.
Yes. On that. Good night, Jennifer Gooden. How you doing?
Shout around.
Michelle Steenrod. How you doing?
Michelle.
Sandra Spencer.
Sandra Spencer.
Hallelujah.
When we meet.
When we meet our blessed Savior in the sky, redemption's coming. Praise the Lord. Oh, what a wonderful freedom. Glory to His name. Out of the bondage. Yes, now into freedom.
Redemption's coming.
Redemption coming. Oh, what a wonderful freedom.
Glory to His name.
I'm out of the bondage. Yes, now I'm into that freedom. Redemption.
Redemption's coming.
Yes, praise the Lord. Redemption coming. Praise the Lord. Oh, what a wonderful freedom.
Glory to His name.
I'm out of the bondage. Yes, now I'm into that freedom. Redemption.
Redemption's coming. Praise
Miss CC, what night time, my young friends? Hey,
From the miry clay.
that's what it is.
He planted my
He
feet
planted my
on
feet
the rock to stay.
on the rock to stay.
And that is the reason why I sing and I shout. My Savior came down and He lifted me up.
Oh, he lifted me up. He lifted me up from the miry clay
Yes,
on the rock. Oh,
it's the
and
reason
that is the reason why
my Savior came down. Oh yes, He lifted me up. He planted my feet. Yes, on the rock. And that is the reason. Yes, I sing and I shout. My Savior came down. Oh yeah. Say in the rock.
in the rock, in the shadow,
In the shadow.
in the shadow,
I will abide.
I will abide.
When the storms of life
Are they raging over me?
in the rock.
When the sun
And the rock.
come again,
Sing it, my soul.
oh yes,
Oh yeah.
say in the rock, I hide. In the Oh, in the rock, in the shadows, I will abide. Over the storms of life are raging over me. Oh, somebody's still like a theater in the rock. In the shadow, oh, in the shadow, I will abide. When the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock, oh, in the rock, I'll hide. When the storms of life are raging over me, in the rock. When the storms of life are raging over me, when the storms of life are raging over Jesus. Oh yes, I'm too near to my home. I am too near to my heaven. Oh yes, I can't turn back again. I made my choice. There is nothing worthwhile to look around now. Praise the Lord, sweet heaven and view. I'm too near to my heavenly home to turn back now. Oh, I'm too near. I am too near to my heavenly home. I can't turn back again. There is nothing worthwhile to look around. Praise the Lord, sweet heaven. I'm too near to my heavenly home to turn back now. I'm too near to my heavenly home. I am too near to my heavenly home. For I can't turn back again. There is nothing worthwhile to look around. Praise the Lord, sweet heaven. I'm too near to my heavenly home to turn back now. Too near to my home, too near to my heavenly home. Oh, I can't turn back again. There is nothing worthwhile to look around. Oh yes, praise the Lord, sweet heaven. I'm too near to my heavenly home to turn back now. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I've answered the Master's call. Yes, Jesus took my heavy load. Now I'm on the glory road. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm praise Him for His love surrounds me like a sea. I praise the name of Jesus and lift up the name of Jesus, for the name of Jesus will take me wherever I am. I'll praise Him wherever I can. I'll praise Him for His love surrounds me like a sea. I'll praise the name of Jesus and lift up the name of Jesus, for the name of Jesus will take me wherever I am. Wherever I am, I'm gonna praise Him wherever I am. I'm gonna praise Him for His love surrounds me like a sea. Yes, I'll praise the name of Jesus and lift up the name of Jesus, for the name of Jesus will take me. I'll praise the name. I'll praise the name of Jesus and lift up the name of Jesus, for the name of Jesus lifted me. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
We worship the King of Kings
And the
and
Lord of
magnify
Lords.
the Lord of Lords.
Yes. One more before our Bible. Yes. Yes, this one. Probably get flagged. But this one is lays on my heart. Yes. And I have to play it.
There are times
I get discouraged.
get discouraged, trying to carry this heavy load. But I decided to keep on calling.
Why?
I'm so glad that
What?
Jesus knows.
When it rains, it pours.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Storm clouds rise,
Thank you, Jesus.
in billows roll.
Hallelujah.
But just see Jesus.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
He'll bring sunshine. Oh, I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
There are times we
Get false accused.
false accused.
All because
Oh, because
of what?
of what someone has told. They won't believe in you,
No matter what.
no matter what you do.
Yes, pull up.
Ah,
Yes. This song just laid on my heart to play. And I had to play it.
there are times
My testimony.
I get discouraged,
Yes.
trying to carry
Trying to show some love.
this heavy load. But I
I've
decided
decided
to keep on
keep on
calling.
calling on God and showing up out here.
I'm so
Because I'm
glad
so glad. My Jesus knows. When it rains, it pours.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Storm cloud rise
Thank you, Jesus.
and billows roll.
Hallelujah.
But just see Jesus.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
He'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
There are times we
get what falls against.
false accused.
All because of what? Mr. Bones.
Oh, because of what
Of what?
someone has told. They won't believe in you,
No matter what.
no matter what you do.
But you know what?
I'm so glad
I'm so glad. My
Jesus knows.
yes.
I want to help you say it this time.
Yes. When it rains, it pours. Storm cloud rise and billows roll.
Thank you, Jesus.
But just seek Jesus. He'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
Let us say this. When there's trouble
In your home,
in your home, when deep down in your heart,
you know for yourself,
you know for yourself,
you've done no wrong.
you done no wrong.
You know what?
Give it say it one more time.
It's when it rains, it pours, and storm clouds rise, and sometimes billows roll. I just see Jesus,
Thank you, Jesus.
'cause He brings sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
Can I ask you to do one more encore?
Ooh, what am I to say now?
Say you touch their heart.
Thank you.
There are times I get discouraged, trying to bear
This heavy load,
this heavy load. But I
I
decide
decided I won't let no one stop me.
keep on calling. I'm so glad
'Cause
that
I'm so glad my Jesus
Jesus knows.
when it rains, it pours,
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
some clouds rise,
Thank you, Jesus.
and billows roll.
Hallelujah.
I just see Jesus,
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
and He'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
There are times
When we get false accused,
false accused,
all because
all because
of what
of what someone has told. They won't believe in you,
no matter what.
no matter what you do.
But you know what I'm glad about?
I'm so glad
I'm so very glad that my
Jesus knows. I want to help you say this now.
on when it rains, I tell you, it pours, and storm clouds rise, and sometimes billows roll.
Thank you, Jesus.
But just
say this. When there's trouble
in your home,
in your home, when deep down your heart,
you know for yourself,
you know for yourself,
you've done no wrong.
you done no wrong.
This is what I want you to do. Just give it
To Jesus, He'll take control. Yes, He will.
and just seek heaven. And just seek heaven. 'Cause Jesus knows. Come on, Reverend Barnes. When it rains, it pours.
Thank you, Jesus.
In some clouds rise,
And sometimes
and billows roll.
But listen, you can do this, church.
But just seek Jesus,
If you do that,
and He'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
let's say it one more time.
When it rains, good God, it pours. And storm clouds rise, and billows roll. But just seek Jesus, my kings and queens. He'll bring sunshine. Oh, I'm so glad. My Jesus knows. He knows. Yes. No, not today. Oh, yes. Oh,
There are times
you
I
don't want to stop playing. I don't know why.
get discouraged,
I'm trying to stop it.
trying to care.
All right. All right. You don't want to stop playing kings and queens. All right.
You're watching Timbalami Lockdown Sessions. Kindly share this link on your timeline so that others may be blessed as well.
All right. As we prepare for the game
Father, we thank you tonight
again,
because we see your goodness.
tonight's game is called Who Has the Bible?
Love you, Lord,
All right.
for your mercy never
Fails me. All my days have been held in your hand.
from the moment
Don't
I
stop
wake
it.
up
Ah,
until I lay my
let it play.
head.
Okay.
I
All
will
right. Let me see if I can make it
of
play.
the goodness.
That's so.
Oh,
I didn't want you guys to get tired of it. But it wouldn't stop playing. All I was trying.
Don't call yet.
Stop. Let him work, right? Let him work. Let him work. Yes.
there are
my kings and queens. So, maybe that's what it is.
Keep on calling.
Yes.
I'm so glad.
And he wants you to know that he knows.
Jesus knows.
When it rains, it pours.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
And storm clouds rise.
Thank you, Jesus.
And billows roll.
Hallelujah.
But just seek Jesus,
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
'cause he'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
There are times we
Yes, Reverend Barnes,
fall for you.
we get false accused. All because of what someone
Or what someone has told. They won't believe in you.
and God says,
No matter what you do.
and he says,
I'm so
chocolate, you know what?
glad
I know.
Jesus knows. I'm gonna let you say this now.
When it rains, it pours. Storm clouds rise. Can I tell you? And billows roll.
Thank you, Jesus.
But just see Jesus. He'll bring sunshine. 'Cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows.
Want to say this. When there's trouble
When there are troubles in your own, and you know deep down in your eyes,
when deep down in your heart,
you know
you
for yourself,
know for yourself,
you've done no wrong.
you done no wrong.
Just give it.
Give it
Give it
to Jesus. He'll take control. Yes, he will.
and Jesus knows.
Let's say it one more time.
When it rains, it pours. In storm clouds rise,
Thank you.
in billows roll. Can I get a witness? But just see Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
He'll bring sunshine. Oh, 'cause I'm so glad that my Jesus knows. Yes, kings and queens. I'm so glad that he knows. My Jesus knows. Yes.
But
Yes.
who bind you too?
I don't know where you're going. Yes, but not today. Oh, Lord. All right, kings and queens. We're going to get into our game. All right, let me explain this again before we start
Please don't call
to
yet.
take the phone calls. Please don't start calling as yet. We want to explain it so you understand. All right. So we got the Bible here. And tonight's game is called Who Got the Bible? Right? Vanilla and I are going to be like this. Can you guys see us? We can probably want to pull back from the camera. Going to be like this. We're going to be passing the Bible behind us to each other. All right? When we get a phone call, we're going to step away. The person on the phone needs to guess who got the Bible. All right? If you guess correctly, then you win some credits. That's as simple as it is. Who got the Bible? All right, here's the Bible. Hold the Bible, Vanilla. Only one Bible.
One.
One Bible. This is our hands. All right. We have to use one hand.
One here.
One hand we got to use. So we're going to have it behind like this. Okay? Got to use one hand. Because I need to answer the phone. Let's see how I'm going to do this. All right. So we're ready. The phone lines are blowing up. I'm about to put the microphone down because I can't do it with the mic and answer the phone. So, let's go. And I'm about to take the phone call right now. Step away, Vanilla, before we answer the phone. Hello, good night.
Good night.
All right, who got the Bible?
Chocolate.
Who am I speaking to?
Chinese.
You're sure?
Yes, chocolate got the Bible.
You are right. I got the Bible. All right, Shanice. Congratulations. Text us your name and your phone service. All right?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Rose Kitchen, big up yourself.
The Night Rose Kitchen. All right, Vanilla. We're about to take another call. Bear with me, people, because I needed someone to answer the damn phone. With one. All right, let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
All right, who got the Bible?
Chocolate got the Bible.
You sure?
Yes, chocolate got the Bible.
Are they seeing behind? You're right. I got the Bible. Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to Marlene.
All right, Merlene, go ahead and text us your name and your phone service, all right?
Okay.
All right. Are they seeing? Is there a
There's
mirror?
no mirror back there.
Oh, definitely looking up. Make sure that I see that a mirror. Okay. All right. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
You are wrong. I got the Bible. Sorry. Okay, Vanilla. Hello, good night. Step aside. Hello, good night.
Hello,
Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
You sure?
Yes.
All right. Do you got the Bible, Vanilla? Yes, Vanilla got the Bible. Who am I speaking to?
Patricia.
Patricia. Congratulations. Text us your name and your phone service.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, the mirror not reflect? Mirror reflect? No, the mirror not reflect. When they see the mirror, oh, no, man. All right, let's go, Vanilla. Hello? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh, you know?
My instinct tells me.
Your instinct tell you, Vanilla, you got the Bible? Yes, Vanilla got the Bible. Who am I speaking to?
Marlene.
All right, Marlene, text us your name and phone service. Congrats.
Hello.
Congrats, text us your name and your phone service.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bye. Hold on. 19 situ.
No.
Okay. Hello.
Good night.
Good night. Who got the Bible?
Chocolate.
You sure?
Yes.
Chocolate ain't got no Bible. Sorry. Vanilla got the Bible. Oh, so they're nasty.
No.
Okay. I can't wait for it to be connected, guys. So I have to move on to the next call, alright? Hello, good night.
Good night.
Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
You sure?
Yes.
Vanilla, you got the Bible? Vanilla got the Bible. Who is this?
Taxi.
Congratulations, Tashi. Send us your name and telephone service, alright? Let's go, Vanilla.
Yes.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Then I'll sit you. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Who got the
Hello?
Bible? Hello? Who got the Bible?
Chocolate.
You sure?
Chocolate.
How you
How you
doing?
know? The way me stand up?
But she not change
Ah!
the way she stand up.
Well, you're right. So I'm going to change the position then. I'll me stand up. Congratulations. Who's this?
Jennifer.
All right, Jennifer, text us your name and telephone service. Hurry up, Vanilla. They come. You're welcome. All right. Step away. Hello. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Who got the Bible?
Banana.
You sure?
Yes.
Vanilla, you got the Bible?
No.
Nope. I got the Bible. Sorry. Come. Hello, good night. Turn us down when you call us. Hello? Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, you got the Bible?
Nope.
Nope, Vanilla doesn't have the Bible. I got the Bible.
Look.
Not true. She's not lying. All right. Hello. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Who got the Bible?
Hello?
Who got the Bible?
Don't pick up the Bible.
You sure?
Yes.
Who am I speaking to?
Nishana.
Nationa, you're right. I got the Bible. Oh, then no.
I know, nation. I know.
Pick up for themselves.
All right, pick up. all right. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
Who got the Bible?
Chocolate has the Bible.
You sure?
Yes.
Nope, I do not have the Bible. Vanilla has the Bible. Sorry. We tricked them, yeah.
We're doing some tricking here.
All right. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
All right, Vanilla, you got the Bible?
I got the Bible.
She got the Bible. Who's this? Who? Say your name. Stacy? Stacy, text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
I will.
All right. You're welcome. All right, Vanilla. Hello, good night. Hello, hi. Who got the Bible?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, do you got the Bible?
No, I
No.
don't have the Bible.
Vanilla doesn't have the Bible. Sorry, I got the Bible. All right, let's go. Hurry up, the phone calls are coming in. Oh boy. Hold on there, people, hold on. The system overload 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's the code. Come on. Hello? Hello, I can hear you. You're low.
Hold on.
Hold on. I have you on the phone. Hold on there.
Hold on, let me see.
She's very low. Yeah. And then it up at top. We're struggling with the one hand. We're struggling with the one hand. Almost there. Hold on.
We can hear her, but
Yeah, I
the
can.
phone's overloaded.
Oh my God, no. All right, we have to put on the Bible and fix the phone. Come. Give us a minute. Yeah, we have to fix the phone. We have to use both hands. All right. What the hell?
Let me see.
Can you hear us? You can, right? Yeah, but you're
No, we
very
can't
low.
hear
We can't
her.
hear you. Hold on. Huh. That's because the phone will blow up like hell. Okay. We have to do this. Oh, come before. Hold on. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night. Who got the Bible?
Chocolate.
You sure?
Yes.
Who am I speaking to?
Shanique.
Shanique. You are correct. I got the Bible. All right. Text us your name and your telephone service, right?
Okay, thank
All right. You're welcome. Hurry up, Vanilla. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who got the Bible?
Chocolate.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I got the Bible. Who am I speaking to?
Marcia.
Marcia. Congratulations. Text us your name and your and your telephone service, all right? All right. How many more?
That's it.
Is that 10?
Yeah, that was 10.
Oh man, somebody was on the phone and their call got dropped. You know, I felt bad because we couldn't hear.
We couldn't hear.
All right, for that person, we're gonna give you some credits. All right, that's the end of it. 10 was really fast.
For that person that was on the phone that we couldn't
Couldn't
were trying
hear,
to get
yeah.
you, but the phone was overloaded
Uh-huh.
and it wouldn't let us.
She was on speaker. I know who it
we
is.
can hear you very lightly, but
I saw
Oh,
the.
you did?
I know
Okay.
who it is.
Okay.
I saw the picture. I can show.
Okay.
Well, we have come to another
Congratulations
end.
to all the winners. Congratulations to you all.
We have come to another end of our praise and worship and credits giveaway. We will probably come back for Cajun credits. Who knows? But if you didn't win tonight, there's always another night. We do this every Sunday night. When we can. Sometimes we have the intention of coming out here to do it, and then we got busy, or we're somewhere, you know, and we don't get to come. But whenever we come, we try to do this. And if you didn't win tonight, don't you feel bad. You'll have another opportunity to try again. All right?
That's right.
And it's only one phone line, unfortunately. So a
And
lot of people,
you did very well for one hand. I have to
right?
hand it to you,
And a lot of people are calling, so I go in the order that the calls come in, right? So just keep trying. Don't give up. All right. It was a pleasure as always being out here with you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Be safe. If you're approaching your work day, be safe. Have a good day at work.
Yes.
Have a good week until we meet again on Facebook Live. All right. Continue to spread love. Let love rule. I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. I love you with the love of God. Yes. I hope this be a productive week for each and every one of you.
I hope everybody stays safe, has a blessed week.
Yes.
Take care of yourself and those around you. Take care of your loved ones.
Yes, whatever you're hoping for this week, I hope it will come to fruition. All right. Yes. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice, 'cause you have led me through the fire in darkest night. You were close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. And I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my Good night.
Good night,
Kings
kings
and
and queens.
queens.
Take care.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.